So up next we have the washer fluid indicator light. As winter is coming up, you guys want to top up your fluids, and washer fluid is so important because during a blizzard, a storm, when snow is kind of stuck on your windshield, you want to use that -40 washer fluid to clear it out. And if you don't have enough, that could be a huge problem when it's a blizzard. You will have zero visibility, so make sure you guys top it up. And that light there is to let you know that you're running low. So the next light is the brake warning light. This light usually comes on when your parking brakes are engaged. So sometimes if you notice that you're driving and you're accelerating, but you're not accelerating as fast, it could be that you left your parking brake on, which is possible. You can actually drive with your parking brake engaged, and that's actually going to reduce your gas mileage because you're constantly braking all the time. So make sure that you guys turn that off. Or it could also, this light could also mean that there's something wrong with the brake system. So maybe you need to change your brake pads, rotors. If it's electrical, it'll definitely signal you to change your brakes. If you see this light, be sure to contact your local mechanic to replace your brakes.